Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. First of all, let me thank you all for coming here today. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm happy that so many of you could make it today. Welcome to my presentation. First, let me introduce myself. I'm Wendra Wirawan. You can call me Awen or Uwen. I'm from Diploma of Telecommunication Technology, on behalf of Telkom University. I'd like to welcome you. Okay, what do you think when you leave the house? Have you ever been in a situation where there was fear in your heart and mind when you left the house? Hear about the number of house break in at the moment, especially during a pandemic like this. Think that abandoned house is not okay. Lots of people are bad people. There are so many innovations to eliminate that fear with very good technology like today. So, here I will present my project that will help you to reduce the fear of you leaving the house. Okay, today I'm here to talk you about smart house, especially smart lock for door. With the greatness of technology today, many people use it for good. Smart lock for door is a technology that is very useful at this time. Okay, I will show you about this smart lock for door. This is what the outside door looks like. In the outer door, there are several parts. First, this is a handle. This is the same as a door in general, which function to open the door. And the second is fingerprint. This function to open the lock with using our fingerprint. And the third is the password code. This is the password code. This function to open the door with using a secret code that has been created. And the fourth is hidden keyhole, which function where when our fingerprint are not detected and we forgot our door code password, this is the last way to open the door. Okay, then this is a view from the inside door. On the inside door, there are several parts. The first is handle. Handle is the function handle is to open the door, and the second is manual keys. This function is to lock the door manually, like a door in general. And there are several benefits when we use this smart lock for door. Uh, Namely, the first, increase home security, and the second is increase the aesthetic value of the home, and the third, various ways to open the door, such as fingerprint, password code, and manual keys.